What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping into another new artist to the channel. This is the Nightingale. Oh, Deborah Henson-Conant with the Nightingale, a voice and harp performance. Let's jump into it. This was coming out as via donation from Dice Elite, who also wanted to request this song in the name of his sister. Totally here for it, guys. This one is for Esther. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together. Let's go. Harps are so magical. I don't even know how they work. There's way too many different ways to tune them. Like, wow.
Who will sing for the nightingale
Whoa.
when the night is gone, when the daylight comes? Who will sing for the nightingale when she sleeps alone?
Wow, how beautiful.
In the sun. Many's the time her silken tones soothed my rough and weary bones.
Oh,
Many's the time her lullaby brought me to my rest. But who will sing for the
sing it out. My
nightingale?
goodness.
Her own sweet song is silent now. Who will sing for the nightingale when she sleeps alone in the sun? Many's the time her silken
I didn't even know you could have a build up with a harp.
soothed my rough and weary bones. Many's the time her lullaby brought me to my rest.
Wow.
But who will sing for the nightingale? Her own sweet song is silent now. Who will sing for the nightingale when she sleeps alone in the sun?
Whoa. This is intense, guys. Wow.
Alone in the sun.
Hey, Dice, I actually really appreciate that one. I don't think we haven't done very many just pure harp things. This is definitely up there on the list. This one smacks you right in the feels. But at the same time, it's a very beautiful song just to listen to, it almost felt like a sin to stop it. I really didn't want to pause in there because it was just taking us somewhere. I didn't feel like interrupting it. Interrupting something like that is sacrilegious to me. Very amazing performance. Like, I can't even begin to understand the harp or harpists, whatever you call the harp player. I think it's a harpist. I, I I don't understand how their mind works, especially if she's trying to sing and play at the same time. It's way too much going on for me. But I'm glad that they're able to do it because I'm glad that I'm here to witness it. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of the videos up there. Subscribe right here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm on Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.